The cool temperatures have finally arrived in southern Colorado, and for many families, or excuse me, for many of us, it was a welcome change after a hot summer. Fox 21's meteorologist Matthew Kruger has more on the historic heat.
It was a rather hot summer.
For meteorological purposes, the summer months include June, July, and August. And for Colorado Springs and Pueblo, these months were extremely hot. In Colorado Springs, the meteorological summer produced average temperatures 6 full degrees above average, making 2011 the hottest summer on record and beating the historic summer of 1980 by an impressive 2 full degrees. For Pueblo, June through August saw an average temperature well above average as well, but just behind the hot summer of 1970, making 2011 the second hottest summer on record. And southern Colorado shares this record-shattering heat with many areas in the south. The heat was the result of a perfect storm, or lack of storms.
Part of the framework started last fall when we had strong La Nina conditions across the eastern Pacific, and that shifted our normal storm track over the winter and early spring further north. We were extremely dry, and dry ground heats up rather quickly.
Now, precipitation did come, especially in July. While we are still in a drought in southern Colorado, there was some improvement overall thanks to a brief monsoon tap from the Pacific. Now, oddly enough, we only set 6 record-high temperatures in Colorado Springs. The summer was so hot because the heat was so relentless. Now, the recent cool down is a welcome relief, but time will tell how long that will last. In Colorado Springs, Matthew Kruger, Fox 21 News.
The National Weather Service says a La Nina weather pattern is possible once again in the winter, which would actually keep us overall dry and mild. Of course, as we know, those weather patterns can still change very